Do you remember the time when there was a bug sitting right there? And then he fell and died. Well, it's another rainy day, and I gotta look for bugs on the windshield. What is that? Ew, it's a dirty drop. That's kind of cool though. But look how much it's raining. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, there's gonna be little sprinkles. Oh goodness, I can't open it, it's stuck. I can't open it with one hand because I'm holding a camera. Okay. Ooh, Jenny. Beautiful out. I was going to play with a friend maybe, but guess not. Too rainy. Also, I got my nails done. Yeah. Died there a little. Got my clay. Oh, I'm gonna need to set the camera down. Can't quite open it. Sounds like I'm constipated. Why is it? Okay, there we go. Okay, so Reggie was just going wild, and Reggie was just going wild, and let me show you the videos.
Reggie, no! I can't! I'm getting out of here! No! Reggie! Go! Will you get away? Oh, no, get out of my nail stuff.
Reggie,
Go away. Literally go away. Enough.
Okay, Reggie, chill. Reggie, chill. Chill, Reggie. You're like a wolf. What was that? Let's get a slow motion replay. Come here, you. Ow, you bit me. Howl, howl, howl.